My husband cannot stop smelling me, and I don't blame him, honestly, because this stuff smells like lemon meringue pie. It's my absolute favorite shampoo. I'm Raylan, by the way, and I just wanted to come on here and let you know about my favorite shampoo that I absolutely love. It makes my hair feel so smooth, so silky, and he can't stop touching it either, and I'm fine with the extra little affection. So unlike other drugstores, they usually, like drugstore shampoos, they usually have about 70% water in them. This little thing right here is 3 times more concentrated than the average drugstore shampoo, so it's already packing a really good punch. As I said, the smell is amazing. It makes my hair look fuller, and it's great for hair growth, and it will also make your hair stronger. My hair feels so strong right now. So it's completely vegan, it's 100% all natural ingredients and 100% plant-based, free of parabens. It's cruelty-free, and I just took it on the plane with me. It's good for traveling. I've been using it for quite a while, and I've been noticing such a difference with my hair. It looks so much healthier. 30% glycerin, so it's going to have that nice hydrating feeling for your hair. It also has 18% aloe vera, which makes it very soothing, especially if you have a dry, itchy scalp. It will help with that. And then it's infused with rosemary oil and peppermint, which is known to grow your hair. I usually shampoo my hair between 2 to 3 times a week. That's when it gets very oily, and you should always shampoo your hair if it ever feels itchy or you feel like you have a tight scalp, because that means that there's some buildup on your scalp, and we want to get rid of that so we can have nice and healthy hair. It's also super easy to use, so there's this little attachment right here, and you're just going to twist it about 1/2 inch. It will give you a dime-sized amount, which is all you need for your shampoo. It's very concentrated, and I've been using about 50 washes for this whole little bottle. It is super concentrated, and it's on Amazon, so it's definitely worth it. So I would definitely recommend using it, and reminder that shampoo is for the scalp, so there's no buildup, so we can clean the scalp. Your hair is kind of like a plant, so we want to make sure that the soil, or the ground that your seeds or your hair strands are on, that they're nice and healthy. So that's what your shampoo is going to do. It also has bond repair technology, so it's going to make the strands nice and healthy and grow them out to their full extent. And it's for all hair types. It makes it super hydrating. Absolutely love this stuff. I rave about it and tell my besties as much as possible.